What is up, YouTube? In this video I'm gonna show you how you can get free coins in Tango Live App. It's super easy. I will explain each step to get 99,999 free coins without paying anything. So let's start it. Type this website to your mobile browser. Tap the detect button and wait to recognize the website your device. The generator works on Android and iOS too. Now select how much coins do you want, and tap the generate button. The generator now started to add the coins to your account, so be patient and wait the end. After all it's done, you need to do the final step, download 2 mobile application. Complete these apps or run each for 30 seconds and you got your coins instantly. As you can see, the generator works perfectly. We are getting the Tango coins instantly. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. If you have any problem, just ask me in the comment section. I will help you. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We will meet in the next one.